apparently from here to Shibuya Station, it's like 12 minutes. Ooh. Oh, water. I needed to get another water for my bag. I got a melon cream soda.
Damn, I forgot to bring my soda.
Let's get a new one. Maybe I'll just get a melon cream soda.
I swear to God, if you want to.
Can you get that? I can't get it. Maybe you have to push the thing in rather than...
Yeah.
I was trying to put it under,
Yeah, I figured that out.
Can you switch out the water in my... Is it on this side or this side? That one has like one sip left in it, an emergency sip. Then just put this full one in there. Thank you.
Put the one.
Hold on one second, I want to see if there's a thing here. No. If you don't mind. There might have been a garbage can right there, but there wasn't. Thank you. Want to try the melon cream soda? Is cream soda like ice cream?
It's gonna taste exactly what it looks like.
That looks good.
It's gonna be like vanilla and melon.
That sounds good to me.
Yeah, it's like a creamsicle with melon.
It smells good.
All right, I want a sip.
That's good. That's a cow piece. Usually I don't really like cow piece.
Ooh, that's so... Wow. What's funny is it tastes exactly like a creamsicle. Like, it almost doesn't taste like melon. It just tastes like...
Wow, that's good.
Man, that's cold. That's not cold.
Yeah. It'll be better when we get into the station. Which is like right here, by the way. You gotta look for the Futoshin line F.
There was one over there.
No, it should be on this side. It's the brown F.
Brown F.
I think it's right there.
Brown F. Better when I get this station.
So I don't do my streams when I'm on the train, so we might, I'm gonna like take a minute to put away my thing, so just don't hop on the train before I do that. We might end up just like waiting for the next one if it's...
Still on the fence about buying that lens.
I thought you said that it was done.
I did.
Or just for that day.
No, I said it was done, but I'm still kind of on the fence.
Yeah, I mean, the only thing is that it doesn't seem like Japan is the place to get it, like clothes and certain kinds of clothes, that is. They have vintage clothes that are like really expensive, and a few different brands that are really expensive.
The thing I don't want to do is have to switch lenses, so like I'm kind of just devoted to sticking with the 35.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that.
If there was a good 28, I would have gotten that.
It's a big escalator.
Oh no, well.
See nothing. Whoa. There's no left or right side. Oh, you're right.
Like you would see in Star Wars or something.
Yeah, like a walkway that has no purpose. It's probably just for like cleaning the cobwebs off that area.
Definitely exactly what it is.
Yeah, it's the thing when the Death Star shoots the laser and then there's this guy standing there on some like precipice for no reason. They cover their ears. Do you need to do your thing? I usually do it when I'm like standing down there.
What if the train comes?
Well, in that situation, I just wait for the next one. They're only like 4 minutes apart. So we're going on, it says both of them? So we could have gotten on that, but we can't. Sorry. Let's go not here. Okay, so the next one is at, it's like 7 minutes. Pretty long wait for the train to start going.